If you're looking to watch live content on the ESPN app, it's easier than ever to catch your favorite games and events in real time. Here's how to do it. First, download the ESPN app from your device's app store and open it. Sign in with your cable provider credentials or an ESPN Plus subscription. This unlocks access to live sports. Once logged in, tap on the Watch tab to see what's streaming live right now. You can browse by sport, event, or time to find exactly what you're looking for. The app also provides a schedule of upcoming games, so you can plan ahead. Enable notifications for your favorite teams or leagues to get reminders when their games are about to start. With ESPN Plus, you'll have access to even more exclusive live content, including international matches and original shows. That's it. Now you're ready to enjoy live sports anytime, anywhere. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Game on.